Welcome to my channel Chemistry Drive with Najmun Nisa. Students, today I am in front of you and today I would like to tell you that I know that life is full of defeats, but you never let yourself defeat it, because life is the name that you just keep continuing what you are doing and definitely you will get success. So let's start our today's topic. So our today's topic is electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. So we have studied about haloarenes. Now we are going to study about electrophilic substitution reactions. Now we will be studying these reactions under two headings, that is, they include the processes halogenation second one nitration, third one sulfonation, and the last one Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is Friedel, okay? And the second thing we are discussing about why haloarenes show ortho and para substitution. So let us discuss why always haloarene shows ortho and para substitution. In our next slide, you already know that this is the structure of haloarene. Chlorine atom is attached here. It is having 3 lone pair of electrons. In the next step, we can show 1 lone pair of electron will come here and 1 bond will come over here. Now you see only 2 lone pair of electrons with the chlorine atom having a positive charge. Since this bond has come over here, so it has a negative charge. Now what happens in the next step, this bond will come over here and this electron will form a bond. I hope you are getting what I am telling you. This will remain same. Now in the next step, it will form the bond over here and it will form the electrons over here. So you will be getting the structure like this. In the next step, this bond will go here and this will form a bond. So you will be getting the structure like this again. So as you can see in the figures, haloarenes have electron density rich at the ortho and the para positions. These are the ortho positions you can see in the figure and this one is the para positions. So we can see that the delocalization of electron takes place mostly at delocalization of electrons takes place at ortho and para positions. Okay. In the next slide, we'll be studying what is an electrophile. So now, what are electrophiles? Electrophiles are electron loving, and that is they are electron deficient, and actually they are positively charged species. Like, that is they are electron deficient and positively charged species. So let's have a look at their reactions. First of all, we are taking halogenation reaction. So let's study in the form of a chart. First of all, I am taking the reaction halogenation. It will take place in the presence of FeCl3. So when we'll react it, we'll be getting one chlorine atom at the ortho position and the other chlorine atom at the para position. Okay. Then we will be taking, so this reaction is halogenation. Our next reaction is nitration. Nitration takes place in the presence of concentrated HNO3 and sulfuric acid. It is only in the presence of sulfuric acid that we get the electrophile NO2 positive. This NO2 positive electrophile gets generated, will attach itself at the ortho position and at the para positions. We get a mixture of both the products. Now have a look at sulfonation. In the process of sulfonation, we will be taking at H2SO4 as a reagent, and when we react haloarine, that is chlorobenzene, with it, we will be getting sulfonic acid group, that is SO3H group, one at the ortho position and the other at the para position. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will be studying about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Actually, Friedel-Crafts reaction it occurs in two ways. In the first, it can react with anhydrous aluminium chloride, and here we will be reacting it with CH3Cl. So when we react halobenzene with it, we again will get a mixture of the two products. CH3 group will attach itself at the ortho position, and in the second it will attach itself to the para position. In the second way, we will react it with CH3COL. Here you will be getting one CH3COL attached to the para ortho position and the other one at the para position. So these two products are formed in this. Now listen carefully. The first process of Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is known as alkylation. It is known as alkylation. And this reaction, in which you are reacting it with CH3COL, this reaction is known as acetylation. You have to remember both these reactions. Very well. These are the important electrophilic reactions of haloarenes. I hope it's clear to you. I am just underlining it to make you clear which type of reactions we have studied here today. So these are the reactions. I hope you will practice it, and definitely I have told you in the form of a chart, so you will be able to remember it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.